In this video, I'm going to show you how to do all the VR settings. Make sure you have installed the VR packages first from the previous video. Alright, so there are a few things we need to do. Let's go into the Edit and then Project Settings, and a pop-up should show up. We're going to start off in the XR plugin management. We just need to click Open XR here. Now it very likely gives you some kind of warning here. You can double click on that. It'll tell you some things you can do. I do find at this point it's just easier to actually go through all the little steps though first and then see if we still have errors. So we're going to click Open XR. One of the problems is this interaction profile. It says the list is empty. So you click on the plus button. And we are using the Vive VR set. So we're going to click on the HTC Vive controller profile. And there we go. Next, we're going to go back into the XR Interaction Toolkit. You're going to want to run this interaction layer mask updater. Right now, if you click into the interaction layers, there's absolutely nothing here. This is part of how the VR headset determines how it interacts with things. So I'm going to just click on this. It'll say, did you make a backup? Sure, I did. It's brand new. And you can see some different things have been populated. However, one thing that doesn't auto-populate is that layer 31 should be teleport. Now it will give you this warning most of the time that it should be teleport. Not sure why it doesn't just do it itself. Alright, now we can go back in here and let's see what our errors are. So it says this is optional. I do think it's a good idea to do this though. Use the most up-to-date. What I like to do is just hit File, Save, and then we're going to hit Fix. Now it won't look like anything happened. You can see at the bottom it says compiling scripts, or sometimes it doesn't always look like anything's happening. Here it is showing up. Now I may need you to restart the program at this point. I think it's a good idea to do it though, just so we know that everything is set up properly. So I'm going to save this one more time, close it out, and then reopen it in Unity Hub. It's one little step. It's going to save you some grief. All right, let's just double check that everything is good. So we're going to edit project settings one more time. So Interaction Toolkit, just make sure this is all in here. It says teleport. There should be no warnings. OpenXR should be clicked. Sometimes it will unclick itself because some other error or some other setting isn't letting it happen. So just call me over. And this still says the Vive controller profile. So we are good to go to start setting up VR.